Morning, here we are again. I've got a couple of really beautiful Hellebores in my hand, and I've got some more lovely ones behind me. Hellebores are real star performers in the winter garden. The one in this hand is often called the Christmas rose. Not sure why, because it doesn't really look like a rose, and it's usually not in flower for Christmas, but hey. It's one of the Hellebores Nijer Hybrids, of which there are many. They're all quite similar, they all tend to be white, and they flower, as I say, usually right after Christmas and into February. Lovely things, and good for a shaded spot. Reasonably well drained soil, that's all they need. In my other hand I've got one of the new Hellebores hybrids. This one's called Charmer, and the one here is called Glenda's Gloss. There are hundreds and hundreds of different varieties. They're a real fashionable happening plant, partly because they're so easy to grow. They don't need splitting like a lot of perennials do. You can plant them in the garden, obviously well prepared soil, and leave them to get on with it. They're good in shade, they're good under trees. They flower for weeks and weeks on end. They don't get very much wrong with them. They look fantastic with things like snowdrops and early flowering crocus. And the leaves are evergreen, so there is something to look at all year round. Some of them have quite attractive leaves too. And the markings on them are hugely variable. So you can get bi-coloured ones like Glenda's Gloss, reds and pinks and whites, yellows, slaty coloured ones, even black ones. So you can understand why people get obsessed with Hellebores, and they're well worth growing because they just perform brilliantly wherever you put them.